I'll pamper myself with a whole body where nasa sila misting chamber in which clean or decontaminate form. Pwede na after na to scan, then just mag-change kasi imong footwear. And after every client, so therapists right now are wearing a full PPE para paghilot. Here is their bamboo massage. So yes guys, protect your face. Ako ang first spa experience in the new norm. Today, I'll pamper myself with a whole body massage and a foot spa after 7 months. I am so happy Aloha Mana Spa and Cafe reopens and follows the protocols of the new norm. Actually, mas stricto pagalit sila gamay kung unsa may gidiman sa new norms or protocols for a spa. So upon entering after the foot bath, murag nasa sila misting chamber in which i-mist yug ka and to make it sure that you are really clean or decontaminated upon entering the spa. Then after that, temperature check. Well, mandatory naman yun na anywhere we go. So see, pinakong temperature 36.1. Yehey. And see na yun sila guidelines kung unsay buhaton the moment we enter the spa. Prior booking is strictly implemented now. So actually, ang client intake form, pwede ninyo ma-downloadaan para ma-fill up na ninyo. And upon arriving also, naasay lain ang health declaration form in which pwede lagi hapon ninyo scan or actually narasod sila paper for you to fill out. And ani ana, after na to scan, then just complete the form nga naa online. Then after that, you are then off to go and have yourself a well-deserved relaxation. So actually, same as before lang gihapon, dapat mag-change kasi imong footwear, but this time ikaw na mo kuha. And nga nagyud sila proper container kung in which asa nimo pwede ibutang ang imuhang footwear. So, and ikaw na siya musulog si mong chinilas, dili na sila because ilas ang i-contaminate before holding your feet. And after putting your footwear in the assigned container, pwede na din mo musulod sa treatment area. Oh, even I am wearing a mask na adjoy certain scent or murag it is a place that you can smell nga murag baka panimaho jud ka bisag nagmask ka. And I am so privileged also kay ipakita gyud nila ang ilahang isolation area in which kung asa nila hipusan ang ato ang sapatos or ang footwear nga atong gigamit. And ila sang gipakita kung asa sa nila ibutang or asa sa desegregate ang mga linens sa gigamit after sa patient. Then tanawa unsa na pag-sterilize ang mga sapatos or ang boxes kung asa ibutang ang mga footwear, including also the PPE they are wearing. And after every client or if ever musulod man sila nga sa isolation room, usually mag-mist sila o mag-sterilize sa yun ang therapy sa ilahang kaugalingon. Diba, mura sa dentista. Actually, most of them mong buhaton guys, every patient. Of course, mas taas-taas ang amo ang protocols. And now, I am about to have my foot spa or here they call it as their foot spell. If you have noticed also, their massage chairs are actually properly distanced para dili sa kayo mo duol sa usat-usa. So, a foot spell includes 3 parts. Number 1 is soak sa, then is scrub, then una siya i-massage. All of this for 60 minutes and it is only 400 pesos. So if ever you are not still really comfortable nga magpamassage sa gawas or muhigda sa bed nga dili inyo ha, even though here sure ko nga ilan na yung sterilize ang ilahang linen, but yes, a foot massage, yes, or a foot spa would be the best way to treat and pamper yourself. So then again, the first part of a foot spell is i-soak lang sa gunatong tiil para muhumok sa nga to mga kuba nga to ang mga yes kalyo sa to ang tiil para later on in-scrub nila mas dali na lang sa jud. And together with that, murag ilan na galit i-massage daan. That itself because probably udugay na kay kuwala nakapamassage, relaxing na jud kaayo. And this is it, scrubbing time. And I would agree sa jud nga ako ang tiil medyo gikuba sa jud even though I'm just at home because yes, I have a fault because I'm just at home all the time, dili na kay kutig butang og lotion, and in which I know for sure nag-struggle na si Kuya karon. And so if you have noticed also, therapists right now are wearing a full PPE gyud. Nag-face shield na and nag-face mask pa gyud. I have been informed nga N95 gyud daw ilang ginagamit nga mask, but actually just for this time kay usama ko sa first few customers, they are just using a surgical mask. But I think mask itself plus face shield is more than enough already to protect ourselves. Added also, ikaw also as a client, make it sure also that you are wearing your own face mask. And grabe kaayo ka meticulous si Kuya, as in wala gyud siya pinalagpas. So yes, thank you so much Kuya. And even though I am just at home, I think my foot deserves a well-deserved relaxation and pamper for just staying at home og wala jud gawas-gawas. So now even though he is still scrubbing, ang iya nang ginahinay og massage in which relaxing na gyud kaayo sa ako ang tiil. So then again guys, this foot spell would cost you for 400 pesos only, good for 60 minutes. So after scrubbing, i-wash abalik ang ato ang feet, then i-dry up sa siya because after drying up our feet, it is time for the massage. Wow, for that, it feels so heaven. This time, I want to put a moment of silence sa para paghilot ni Kuya sa ako ang mga tiil. Anyway, guys, if ever dili man mo ganahan og pa-scrub sa inyong tiil, they also have a foot relax by the beach in which massage sa Gunisia, which would still cost 400 pesos but it is for 60 minutes. So try to imagine 60 minutes i-massage ang imuhang tiil. And yeah, it's time for my body massage. So what I usually avail here is their bamboo massage. So yes, guys, bugamit og bamboo na i-roll over sa imong body to make it more relaxing. And part of the new norm na naslay murag shield to protect your face during i-massage ka, even though you still have to wear your mask. Bamboo massage, guys, is for 600 pesos only, good for 90 minutes. Yun ana siya ka-relaxing. And sorry sa guys, magpamassage ako ha, so munang freeze video sa ta kay dili mo pwede makakita while gi-massage ko. And for that unfreeze, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining sa ako ang first spa experience in the new normal. And thank you so much Aloha Mana Spa and Cafe for really following the protocols and for that sure kay ko nga safe kaayo ko. And one thing I look forward also in every after massage kay ang tea, in which here's Aloha Mana Spa kay ilahang ginger tea. But I really do hope na mo open nagbalik soon ang ilahang cafe because I really like their coffee here also. So, but then again guys, this is always my reminder in going out in our homes. Let us all continue to protect ourselves in the same way protecting others also. And of course, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!